I am Shantanu Dikshit. I am with Prayas Energy Group, and we are associated with Electricity Governance Initiative since its inception in 2003. Electricity Governance Initiative is truly a unique collaboration of civil society organizations representing very different and diverse characteristics. Electricity Governance Initiative, as the name suggests, looks at the sector from the governance lens. It implies that the sector needs to be much more transparent. There is need to have opportunity and spaces for public participation, and there has to be emphasis on accountability. So from this perspective, we developed the first toolkit, which is called benchmarking best practices. The idea behind this very comprehensive, very in-depth toolkit was to develop a framework, a governance framework through which civil society groups in different countries can assess the quality of electricity sector governance in the respective countries, and that will also give them opportunity to engage with other stakeholders in a more meaningful and objective manner. So this thought led to development of two tools as of now. The first of this is electricity distribution indicator toolkit. This tool essentially looks at consumer issues. It tries to systematically document these complaints and grievances of consumers, and then it is expected that part 2 of this tool will provide more in-depth diagnosis about why consumers are facing these hurdles and what could be remedial measures that need to be put in place so that consumer service quality improves. The second tool we are trying to develop is a 10 questions to ask series. This tool or this series of tools essentially focuses on more substantive aspects of electricity sector in different countries. And the idea is this tool will essentially provide a research framework for civil society groups. So in the nutshell, EGI goes much beyond just a very strong analytical tool. It's the process through which partners develop their capacity, are able to better engage with decision makers and network with like-minded organizations across the world.